Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to clean up your friends list on Roblox but don't want to spend hours removing people one by one. I've got you covered with the fastest methods available in 2026. Step 1. First, you need to log into your Roblox account and navigate to your profile page. Click on the three-line menu icon in the top left corner, then scroll down and select your username to access your profile. Once you're there, look for the Friends section, which should display all your current friends. Step 2. Now here's where it gets interesting. Go to your account settings by clicking on the gear icon, then select Account Information. Look for Privacy Settings and make sure your friends list is visible so you can manage it properly. Some settings might prevent you from bulk removing friends, so double-check these first. Step 3. Head back to your friends list and you'll notice there's now a bulk management option available in 2026. Click on the Edit Friends button that appears at the top of your list. This will enable selection mode where you can choose multiple friends at once instead of removing them individually. Step 4. Start selecting the friends you want to remove by clicking the checkbox next to their names. You can use the Select All option at the top if you want to remove your entire friends list at once. Take your time here and make sure you're removing the right people, because this action can be undone, but it's still worth being careful. Step 5. Once you've selected all the friends you want to remove, look for the Remove Selected button at the bottom of your screen. Click it and confirm the action when prompted. Your friends list will update instantly, and those people will no longer see you as a friend, though you might still see them as a friend until you refresh the page.